The other day, I tried to send a message to my wife with the Motorola Defy, and I failed. So today, I'm going to show you how to properly send an SOS message while you're out frolicking in your favorite wilderness playground. My message failed to send because I hadn't properly paired my device with my phone, and so that's the next step I'm going to show you. We're going to start by opening the Bullet messaging app and tapping on the Bluetooth logo in the corner. When you see the Motorola Defy satellite link pop up, select it and then click pair. When prompted, select the link button and then click to update the device. The firmware will take about 2 minutes to install. After the update is finished, it will prompt you to set up a check-in contact. If you don't get the prompt, simply go to settings and press check-in. You can either choose from an existing contact in your phone book, or you can enter a new name and phone number for a new contact. Keep in mind, for check-in messages, they will also be deducted from your messaging allowance, just like a regular text message. You can choose from these 5 different messages when you send a message to your check-in contact, along with your location. The app will not allow you to block contacts from this screen. To block a contact, tap the little menu sign in the top right corner within a chat. It might sound cold, but there are many reasons why you would want to block a contact. One of the most important is to save your messaging data over the satellite link. The same screen that gives you your check-in message options also allows you to back up your device settings via your Google account. The next thing we're going to teach you is how to invite others to use your satellite messaging data. On the main page, tap Manage Users and then click Go to Dashboard. Then click on Invite Member, type in their phone number, and hit Submit. From what I understand, if a member accepts your invitation, then they will be able to sign into your device using their phone number and use the satellite link. Now you're ready to return to the Bullet app and send your first satellite message. There are 2 things that we need to check before sending a message to make sure that your phone and your satellite link are connected. If your device is turned on and ready to go, click on the global link in the top right corner of the app and make sure that both the Bluetooth and the global GPS logo are lit up and connected. If your device is powered off, turn it on. You'll see the blue power light flash on and off. You'll see the satellite indicator flash orange several times, and after about 40 seconds, it'll light up green. Now on the app, you're able to hit the plus button. You're going to send a message to a contact in your phone book like you normally would. And then if you want to send a location with the message, simply hit that little GPS button. As you can see, the coordinates are in the message. The recipient can simply click on the link, go to Google Maps, and see your exact location. That is Messaging 101 with the Motorola Defy satellite link. If you enjoy this content, smash that like button and subscribe to the channel for further content. Also, watch this video if you'd like to know how to set up the account on this device.